Hi class, last week I shared with you that we are going to use Flip, which used to be called Flipgrid, to make videos to share our mathematical understandings in this group called Mathematical Mindsets. When you first open Flipgrid, it will ask you to join a group. Our group join code is Math 2022. MATH 2022, and you'll see Mathematical Mindsets. Here we can see that Ryan has made a video and I've made a couple as well. I figured out how you can make a video. On the top there are two options. You can watch the feed, which is where you see videos, or topic. Click topic. We'll click on our topic, which is creating a story problem. And now you have the option to add a response. So this week I would like you to create 2 story problems for your classmates to solve. Use items at home to create a story problem for another student to solve. There are an infinite number of ways to respond to this topic. Be creative. You can add more than one video. You can see that I added 3 videos and they're 3 different levels. One of them pretty easy, one of them medium hard, and the other one is more difficult. You can choose the level of difficulty, and I can't wait to see your videos.